what's up? It's Joe Food Reviews, and today we got us a review from Subway. Got another review from Subway, and it's a new, well, not a new flavor, but they want to do these for people on carb diets, no bread. It is the new Subway protein balls. Oh yeah, that look good. I put a little bit of steak and cheese protein bowl. Oh, get it open with a little thumbnail. And I love Subway. If you want to eat healthy, place to go. Well, sort of. But this is a better way because they don't have none of that bread. So yeah, they give us a fork. Now I gotta open this up. Can't get the fork open. What the heck? Oh, there we go. So here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that thumbnail. Oh yeah. Gotta get some of that meat. What is this? Good. Real good. It actually tastes better. I like this as a protein bowl than a regular sub. So I'm gonna give this a. They can have like in different flavors, but I'm gonna give this a 4.9 out of 5. It's good. If you want something different without having the bread on there, this is good to get. So remember, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It's a 4.9. Make sure you comment and subscribe, share. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Thanks for watching Chuck Food Reviews and more. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Woo! Oh hell! Oh!